Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I've got my little helpers here, Hattie and Adeline. And we are going to make a 20 serving bread mix really quickly so I can show you how to do it. So when you buy a 20 serving, there's 5 cups in here. So however much cups of mix you use the same amount of egg whites, okay? So we're gonna dump this in. And then this is about a cup and this is 4 cups. So it's a quart plus a cup of egg whites. Okay, so I did 5 cups mix, 5 cups egg whites. And then I'm gonna do 2.5 cups plain non-fat Greek yogurt. I'm mixing this in, and that's about just right, because I got about half a cup left in here. Okay? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix this. We're gonna blend it and mix it. You can use a fork if you want. It's gonna take a little bit longer to do this. That's why I have that mixer. But when you use a mixer, you just gotta make sure you get to the bottom. Okay, we're gonna try both and see which is better. You just have to do whatever works for you. And if you don't have one of these, just use a beater or whatever. This is a little bit thicker. I think it's better to just do it with a fork. Hattie, can I give you this and go put it in the sink for me, Mommy? Okay, let me just grab all the stuff off of it.
It's hard fell off.
Yeah.
Remember
there you go.
Talk
put it in the sink. Oh, you're fine. You're fine. Just not too much. Okay, I'm just gonna mix it. I think this one's better done by hand. Okay. You can literally even wear a glove, which is what I do. This might be the easiest way. This is what I do with all my bigger batches. Okay.
The cake smells so good with lots of Greek yogurt in it.
Yeah. And this is bread. It's gonna be so yummy. And guys, you can add more egg whites to this, okay? This is gonna give me a thick, dense bread. You can make it more runny and add more egg whites if you don't want the bread so thick, okay? So, what I'm doing is, I'm gonna show you how to make burger buns, and I'm gonna show you how to make just sheet like flatbread, so that you can, just put toppings on it. I like to do both. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna spray these.
Mom, maybe when we get to Grandma and give these to her, we can try the cake.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have them for lunch.
Yep. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, you can literally just like flap this and spread it around. Okay. You want to do it with me? You guys can do it.
Okay.
You know what? You don't need gloves. This is for Mom. You guys don't need gloves. You can just grab it.
Okay, Mom.
Okay?
I'll just grab
Yep. And I'm going to finish this up, guys.
with our plain hand.
Yep. I'll let you guys do this when I end the camera. Just a second. What I'm going to do with the rest of this is just put it in here and spread it out. And again, I want to do flatbread. I'm going to use all 5 cups, okay? Hold on one second, girls. I'll let you do the other ones with me.
No, not yet.
Yep, just wait 1 second, cutie pie, my princess.
Can I do the other one?
Yep, you guys can do the other ones. Okay, and then once I'm done, oops. Okay, I didn't mix that very good.
No, me and you were in this one.
Again, guys, I like it really thick. That's why I'm doing this. Sometimes I just crave a really dense bread. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish this, and I'm gonna do, I got this done. I got my HTM seasoning. I'm gonna sprinkle it all over because I just love this stuff. It's so, I use this instead of salt on everything, okay? And the little bit that's left, we're gonna finish these. And we're gonna put these in the oven and bake them. I'll let you know how long I baked it for, and we'll be right back.
I like all of them.
You like all of them?
I like all of them too.
They're all delicious.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, this is the 20 serving of the skinny bread mix that I made. So as you can see, one serving is, I just love this because I can just throw tacos and taco meat, salsa, guacamole, whatever, and just eat a taco, like a taco sandwich, kind of like open face. And I can use this as burger buns. I love this thing, how they turn out. They're so good. I like how dense mine are. So you can make it more fluffy if you want. You just need to add more egg whites. I like it dense like this. It makes me feel like I'm eating gluten, even though gluten's bad for you. It's just nice and chewy and gooey, okay? And again, this bread, one serving has 11 grams fiber, has about 18 grams protein. It's only about 150 calories, and it's about 3 net carbs per serving. And it's grain-free and it's gluten-free, guys. There's a lot of grain-free stuff out there, but it's full of gluten. And there's a lot of gluten-free out there that's full of grains. Neither one of those is good for you. This is why people lose weight on HealthyTreatsMarket.com, because everything we have is grain-free and gluten-free. Not just that, it's also low-carb, low-calorie, low-fat, and high-protein. Okay, really is a lifestyle to live. So if you live nearby, come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, you can always go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com, look at more recipes like this. You can learn how to meal prep. Look at this table. This is all meal prep, and it was all done in an hour. Okay, and I have enough for well over 2 weeks worth of food. So I try to teach you guys to do things really fast because I'm a mom of 11. All right, guys, thanks for watching. God bless you.